Greetings, universe. This is Fideus from the Self-Expression Project, and you're watching the very first episode of Tribe, Nation, Kingdom. Tools given to someone are not the same as tools forged. Therefore, when a tool breaks is when a scale's tip. Those born in a concrete jungle have nothing more to prove. For the path you pave will guide the youth to the real truth. Fact: a book will never outmatch experience. We read those as we sail through tsunamis navigating our own hardships. A little message to the forest tribe: never waver. You are the adventure you seek.